So people have been asking how to edit Opay account balance. Basically, I don't know the reason why you might actually want to edit Opay account balance. Probably just for you to be able to do one or two, like one or two actually. So to me, I don't really think you should do this. You might not need my advice, right? I understand. And me and you know your reasons for wanting to do that action. Yeah. But trust me, the best thing you can actually do for yourself is to be the real you. Like, there is nothing you actually want to gain in trying to edit your account balance, right? But then, of course, I'm not saying this is not possible for you to edit your account balance. It's very possible, and people who are actually doing it for real. But I personally am not advising you to do that, because at the end of the day, the fact doesn't change that that money you are, or that figure you're trying to put in there, is not real. Like you said, or claiming you have a million naira in your account, and at the end of the day you just have just 1,000 naira. But tell me, after changing that figures to 1 million, does it actually change in real time to 1 million? It doesn't. Why do we have to perfect our life to satisfy some people? Like, no reason. We don't have to. There is no point in doing that. I just want to tell you, you might don't you feel like I don't really need your advice. Yeah, I understand, but just have to tell you, I have to say my own. Not every advice that people give out there is what people you are trying to give advice to would definitely follow. I understand. So I'm just trying to tell you my own, so you kind of like understand. So some people also search for how to edit Opay receipt. Like, why do you have to do that? Like, why do you have to editing Opay received for what? To me, doesn't add up. You don't have to. You don't need to, like, trying to edit Opay received online. Everything is simple. Just, if someone asks you for money, tell them you don't have, and if you have, tell them the exact amount you have. They're not gonna kill you. Everyone is actually struggling out there. Let me tell you, we're all struggling. No one has it all. We don't have it all. So just be real, be you. That is just my advice. This is just kind of like advice, because I know people out there being desperate to some extent that they can actually forge things just to make things up. And at the end of the day, everything will finish. So yeah. But then that doesn't my advice doesn't stop you doing more research to find exactly how to edit Opay account balance, or how to edit Opay receipts online. Trust me, you can still do that. Do your research, find it, do it, edit, best known to you. But I just have to give my own advice, and I hope you follow it and be the real you. Thank you.